Welcome students. Today our topic is exercise 1.2. So in exercise, if you look at the exercise is 1.2 and the question number is 1, and what he is saying in question number 1 is saying write transpose of the following matrices. So in this question you have to write the transpose of each matrix. If you look at the part first, it's matrix P and this is the matrix 1 2 3 1. So how you will solve it? First of all, you have to write the solution and you will write taking transpose on both sides. So this P will convert into P transpose, and you have to take a transpose on the top of this matrix. Now if we will apply the transpose, what we will get, P transpose is equal to, we will change the first row into first column and second row into second column. So this is our solution. If you look at the second part, it's matrix Q, and we have also find out the transpose of this matrix. Taking transpose on both sides, we have to apply transpose on both sides, and when we will solve this LM is first row, it will convert into first column, and this NP second row will convert into second column. So Q transpose will be the solution. If you look at this, in third part you have a matrix, unit matrix, and the transpose of unit matrix is equal to that matrix. Taking transpose on both sides, we have to apply transpose, and when we will solve it, we get the original matrix. If you see in this fourth, the matrix is S matrix, and if you see here, the order is 1 2 3 1 2 3 cross 2, and when we will solve it, the order will also be changed. Taking transpose on both sides, apply transpose, and when we will solve it, this negative 5 1 will be first column, the second row will convert it into second column, and third row will be converted into third column. If you look at the original matrix, the order is 3 cross 2, and if you see here the solution, the order is 2 cross 3. The order is changed. Whenever you apply transpose, the order will be changed, but in square matrix the order will be same. If you look at this is the square matrix T. Taking transpose on both sides, apply transpose and convert rows into column and columns into rows. If you see here, 6 7 8 first row, and in solution it's first column. 13 1 3 is first second row, and in solution it's second column. 2 4 5 is third row, and 2 4 5 is third column in solution. And if you consider the column, 6 13 2 is first column, and in solution it's row. Hope you enjoy it. In next lecture I will talk about the second question.